Handshake is your key platform for searching for jobs. That includes graduate jobs, placements, internships and on-campus jobs. Within the Career Centre section, you can access our key services. That includes booking advice appointments with employability advisors, accessing a range of events and edge activities, and also accessing a range of digital resources like VMOC and Interview 360.
One of the big differences and an advantage of Handshake is the fact that you have your own Handshake profile and you're able to make this visible to employers. That means that when employers have opportunities, they can search for you based on the information that you have on your Handshake profile, and they're able to contact you and reach out to you directly. It's really important that you take advantage of this, as it's going to give you the competitive edge over accessing relevant opportunities. If you have your Handshake profile completed and you make it visible to employers, there's a very good chance that you're going to be contacted by employers through the platform. What makes a good Handshake profile? Well, there's some things that are going to be the same, whether you're writing a good CV, LinkedIn profile or application form. You need to make sure that it's well written, that there's good content, that it's positive, and that it's complete. So here are some tips on getting your Handshake profile completed. The first tip is to make sure that you have included a photograph, and a good photograph, a clear photograph. The next tip is to take some time in writing your journey section, as it's going to be the first thing that the employer will read. Complete the relevant information, including your education, your work experience, and select the right skills for your job interests. Upload a copy of your CV, and that's making sure that your CV is of a good standard and that you've put some work into it. And then finally, make sure that your profile is visible to employers.
To get the most out of Handshake, you need to set up your preferences. These filters will mean that the suggested opportunities will be as relevant as possible to you and your job search. Here are some tips for setting up your preferences. First of all, update your job hunt status to actively looking for a job. Secondly, update your job interest. This is your job type, so this might be placement, on-campus job, or if you're looking for graduate opportunities, just select full-time job. Thirdly, you can add specific cities if they are of interest, and then you can choose specific roles if there are specific types of interest, but remember to keep your options relatively open. Fifth and finally, you will choose the broader industries that are of interest to you. Again, don't keep it too narrow, but equally don't be too broad. And remember, we can always guide you through the development of your profile and preferences.
Students, as you would expect, you have a number of filters you can use to change the jobs you see. They include job type, job role, industry, and employers. And you can also select your course of study to view what employers have selected your course as relevant to their opportunity. As you view a specific job, you can view all the relevant information requested by the employer and how to apply. They will often be through the employer's website or indeed from the Handshake platform itself. Good luck searching for your jobs on Handshake. Following employers is a crucial part of using Handshake effectively. Handshake is about connecting employers and students, and by following employers, you are ensuring that you receive a notification or email whenever they post something that is relevant to you. This ensures that whether you're in the platform or not, you're aware of really important opportunities that you want to apply to. You can follow an employer by browsing or searching for them in the employer section. You can also click follow employer when you are browsing jobs. Why not set yourself a new task this week by following 15 to 20 new employers to enhance your recruitment and engagement?
One of the best things about the Handshake platform is the wide range of events that it advertises throughout the whole year. This ranges from really quite large events, including our virtual career fairs that happen a few times a year, to smaller, more focused events like our wide range of Edge Award accredited activities such as improve your presentation skills and design your career journey. On top of that, employers advertise a lot of their own events, which are designed to help you understand more about their business and organisation. What are the opportunities that they are offering and what departments do they fit within? What skills do they look for? What are the recruitment processes that they use? Basically, lots of events that offer you kind of unique insights that can really inform your job search and really help you prepare much better. So a wide range of events throughout the year, and it's really important that you keep an eye on those.
Handshake really is a network, and you have access to other students from other universities who are using the Handshake platform. The Q&A section is a student-led forum where students post questions and other students provide answers using a discussion thread. You can also search for other students who have worked in industries or for employers that interest you.
The Career Centre tab is your gateway through to our key services, in particular our advice service. You'll be able to select appointments, and in just a couple more clicks you'll be able to view the upcoming availability for the employability advisors on your campus. Appointments are running both online, virtual appointments, or on campus, and sometimes you will be able to choose.